Good morning! Today is
May 27, Friday. Moving up na sa aking anak nga babae. Kaya ang aga-aga namin dito sa school. Pinapunta kasi kami dito mga 7 a.m. Tapos after that by 8, mag-start na yung mass nila. Kaya after that, ayun, moving up na nila. Kaya see you there. Guys, namin direct sa school. Wala. Mag-register sila. Nalamiduri. So, na taday? Mana sila? Mana ka? Register? Ako sa man? So, na ta?
Hi, Jari.
So, congratulations, graduate. Amang ka? May kinsa? Pipicturean ka diri bi. Yung taso pa'y tao. Ali. Hello guys, na congratulations to the graduate.
You may now be seated.
Greetings to everyone present on today's
Dulce Jesus L. Baricoto, OIC School President. By the authority vested upon me as the Junior High School Assistant Principal of St. Louis College, Cebu, I have the honor to present to you the 150 junior high school completers of school year 2021-2022 with 81 boys and 69 girls who have completed the requirements for basic education curriculum, junior high school education. As the high school principal of St. Louis College, Cebu, after careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted to my office, I have the honor to say that you have completed the requirements for completion. I therefore certify that these 150 first batch grade 10 candidates for completion have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education. By the authority vested in me as the OIC College President of St. Louis College, Cebu, and having been presented by the Assistant Principal and duly certified by the High School Principal that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Basic Education Curriculum. I therefore confirm you junior high school completers of St. Louis College, Cebu for school year 21-22 with all the rights appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Baricuatro, Mrs. Gallinero, and Mrs. Vega. Completers, you may now take your seats.
We have now come to the moment we are all waiting.
Christine Marie M. Delisiri with honors.
College President, Dr. Dulce Jesus L. Baricuatro, Mission and Identity Director, Father Deshana G. Braza, CICM, HRD Officer, Mr.
year 2021-2022. Congratulations, all of you. Seeing you from the stage, we feel a sense of pride and joy. I hope to see you again next school year. When you sang A Million Dreams, I was thinking, and at the same time, I'm inviting you to make St. Louis College a part of that journey towards achieving your million dreams. May you allow us to be part of your journey in the last phase of your high school life. Pwede? I hope to see at least 90%, if not 100% of you in the senior high next school year. To the parents, thank you very much for trusting St. Louis College for the education of your children. We hope that that trust will continue to grow
and that we will continue to be partners in the formation of your children. Congratulations, dear parents, because for every success of your child, you were the light behind them. To the faculty members and the administrators, thank you so much for your patience, hard work, and everything that you have invested for the last 2 years of this pandemic situation. You nailed it. And I want to say thank you and congratulations. May this day, this morning, may not be the end of our meeting together. I look forward to seeing you next year. God bless you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional.
Inday. Ha? Hindi makadatok. Ha? Ako si Inday eh. Tara. Ikaw. Mana?
Dudung piknik.
Wow, congratulations. Guys, humanang moving up sa kong anak. Tapa nagpicture-picture. So, muuli na mi guys. Ang mag-lunch siguro. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe na sa wala pa. Ako diri. Na akong anak sa akong sakyanan. Dalian kaayo. Wait sa ha.